Ba-bum, ba-bum.
Yeah, now I hear it.
Back to school physicals. Do kids really need them?
We always take your temperature to make sure it's right where it's supposed to be.
Hi Moses, how are you?
I'm good.
Are you ready for your checkup today?
Yeah.
We use a stethoscope to listen to your heart and lungs. We can hear the heart beating and the sound of the air going through your lungs. We use a special tool called an otoscope to look in your ears. The otoscope is also handy for checking the inside of your mouth and for looking at your teeth. One of the most important parts of the visit is when we ask you questions. We might ask about what you eat and drink, when you go to bed, or how school is going. Sometimes we end up talking a lot to your mom or dad or the grown-up who comes with you to the visit. Moses sometimes likes to read his book.
Muscles. So we're gonna go ahead and listen to your front side and your back side, okay? Okay. So I am gonna put my stethoscope 6 different places. Each time if I could just have you take a deep breath in and out, okay? Okay. Great. We're gonna do the same thing back here. Okay, deep breath. Great. So lung sounds bilaterally are clear on her anterior and posterior chest. No adventitious sounds were noted. So next we're going to go ahead and listen to your heart sounds, okay? And you can breathe normally for this. Thank you. Great. And next we're going to check for any heart murmurs with the bell, so same thing. Thank you. Great. So S1 and S2 were regular.
Very good. And we'll take a listen to your heart. And this is the most important part. So we're listening for any murmurs, weird beats. Most important is a murmur, an undetected murmur. So we'll take a listen here. Some big, deep breaths here. There you go. And again. Very good. Yeah, it all sounds perfect.
Pulsations. So now I'm going to palpate the carotid artery one at a time. 2+ with a regular rate and rhythm. 2+ with a regular rate and rhythm. And then looking at the precordium area of the chest wall, I don't see an apical impulse. I also don't see any heaves or lifts to the chest wall. So now I'm going to auscultate the 5 cardiac areas. First with my diaphragm, then with my bell. So we have the aortic, pulmonic, Erb's point, and lift up your breast tissue, tricuspid, mitral, and now I'm going to listen here for a full minute to also listen to the apical pulse. So a minute went by, the apical pulse has a regular